I was sitting there drinking this Coke, Rick. You can't make this shit up. The old lady brought me a Coke over ice. Drinking that Coke, all of a sudden my damn lips start swelling up. I don't know what the hell's going on here. So I called her and I was like, Fatima, what'd you put in this Coke? Are you trying to kill me or something? It made my damn lips swell up. She looks in there, she's like, nah, you probably got bit by the ant. Ant bit you. I said, well, wouldn't you check the cup and make sure there's no ants on there before you give me the cup? I mean, it's damn swelling up. I don't know if you can see it, but it's inside my lip. So, laughing like you're trying to poison me. She said, no, I'm not trying to poison you. You ate the ant, or the ant bit you, some shit, So a few minutes later,
What did you go?
I'm trying to tell people the truth. In case I'm a man down here. You see the violence and stress I'm under.
I'm not.
So yeah, a few minutes later, my fingers start swelling up. I'm like, Fatima, get in here. My fingers are swelling up. What the hell did you put in my coat? And she says, look, if your fingers are swelling up, that means you have a lot of money.
That's what to say.
That's what she said. If your fingers are swelling up, that means you're getting a lot of money.
I'm not putting God.
Baby, look, all right, let me interview you here. Baby, do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth? So help you. Will you swear on fried chicken and rice? Okay. Did you put anything in my Coke?
Ice.
What else?
Coke.
Anything else?
Hoy, not to kill it, pangik. If I want to kill you already before. I do want to go in jail. Yeah, baka. I knew the punishment.
Oh, so you're saying if you could get away with it?
No.
Guilty. If you could get away with it.
No.
Guilty.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, I'm calling Rafi Tulfo.
Go. Maybe the ants bite you.
Yeah, something bit my lip. My whole mouth is swelling up.
Maybe.
I can't talk.
Maybe you're doing lips to lip to the your girl in the.
I ain't been kissing nobody in days.
Maybe you bite your lips.
Okay, then why are my fingers swelling
Because
up?
you've been do like this. Oh, huh? And what else?
Okay, look. If you truly didn't put anything in my drink, you take a big drink. Wait a minute. Open your mouth.
Baliwan.
Maybe there's still Coke in there. Take a big drink.
Oh, I'm not, no. Baliw ka.
Folks, y'all see the stress I'm under here? I'm just messing with her, but the logical explanation is there was an ant on there, right? This is the tropics. You get ants.
I like that. I like the dress that I buy to her.
Okay, babe, I'm trying to discuss a serious topic here. Now you're switching over to fashion.
Stop that,
All right, did you check the cup?
yeah, because that's already washed. I washed that before I.
Or did you just get the cup from the outside? Maybe it was sitting in the grill and
No,
you just grabbed it.
This is in the sink. I washed this morning. Put in the drying. Oh.
Did you thoroughly check the cup?
Then I wash again.
I'm trying to determine, did you or did you not check the cup to see if there was an ant inside my cup?
No, because I'm.
Guilty. Guilty.
Because I think that's already washed. Why I need to wash?
Okay, so now we're getting there. So you just grab the cup. You don't know if it's clean or not. Throw the ice in there. Pour the Coke. And then when you give it to me, there's ants swimming in the Coke. I drink it. I probably drank like 15 ants, but one of them bit my lip on the way down.
You like the only one, not 50. If that's 50, your mouth is all that swelling.
Baby, next time you bring me a drink, could you please check for ants, bugs?
But I'm a traffic enforcer for the ants.
I'm not asking you to be a traffic enforcer, baby. Okay, I got one more question for you. Who told you that if your fingers swell up? Who told you that if your fingers swell up, that it means you got a lot of money? Who told you that? Ate Mama?
Hey, both hands or only left?
Both hands.
Oh, you're out of mind.
What?
You should have money.
You said if my fingers swell up, I got lots of money.
I think it's only left or right. I forgot what's that. But that's what they said. But for me, if both you're out of money, you're poor now. Wait, come here.
So if one hand's fingers swell up, you got a lot of money. If both hands' fingers swell up, you're out of money.
I don't know if that's true.
Who told you?
I don't know everybody.
So everybody in the Philippines knows this. Yeah. Yeah. Anything else you want to say, baby?
No, I'm not.
Because
poison in there.
we're gonna have judgment down in the comments here. You see the stress I'm under, my friends? I think that's all it was. There were just a few ants in there.